Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Leos. So, these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstance. And today I'll be picking one card for your moon energies. This is the card. I will leave it here, guys. And one card from the fortune cookie. So I will leave this card here. We will see what it is as we proceed, Leos. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Leos. And Leos, many of you were requesting personal reading. I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. So if you are interested, I have shared the link in the description, guys. So you can check that out, guys, Leos. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Page of Cups in reverse, Strength in reverse, Five of Wands in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are trying to do the best, maybe working really hard, trying to do things in the right way, but whatever it is, you see some kind of obstacles, something is not right, something is really difficult for you to handle, maybe in your circumstances, guys. Things are not really clear for you, the reason for the way things are going. There are a lot of obstacles you are facing in your work, or maybe that may be the case in this relationship. However hard you are trying, maybe this person may not understand you, guys, whatever you do. They always tend to find faults with you, maybe, and they may have a lot of complaints about you. But you are trying to be really friendly, trying to build that understanding, have that compatibility, and make this relationship a positive one. But whatever it is, there are some difficulties you are seeing, maybe because it may be uh, addictions on your part, or maybe this person may have some addictions. That may be the reason for troubles, or maybe for some of you, someone is sick, maybe they have some illness, and it is really difficult for both of you to cope up in this time, a difficult time for you. So, a lot of emotional stress is already there on this person because of this illness or addictions, guys, Leos. So, whatever efforts or however hard you are trying, they are not changing, or they are not trying to understand you. So, for your relationship, we picked one card and it says Queen of Wands. And maybe today, with this card, I see that there may be chances of finding a good solution. So, things may take a positive turn in this relationship, and you may have this person coming to you, trying to, what to say, trying to change for you and being really friendly with you. So, some positive change is what I see for your relationship, guys. So, let's see what is the card for your career circumstance. So, we have Temperance in reverse. So in your work situation, there may be some changes happening because there are people competing with you and they have their own ideas and they want to go their own way, try and do things according to their will and wishes. But you are an experienced person devoted to what you do, and you may see certain flaws in their ideas, in their plans, but whatever you tell them, they are not ready to listen because they believe in their ideas. And that may be the reason certain things are going in a difficult way in your work situation. So, this confusion is affecting your work potential, maybe, guys, for some of you Leos. That is what I see with these cards, Leos. So, for your moon energies, let's see what is the card. You're very close to achieving your goal, Gibbous Moon. So, things are gaining momentum, and this moment is really ripe for you. And this may be the right time for you to review your plans. Maybe you have some plans for your future in your work or maybe in your relationship. So you must see where things are going and what is your goal and what do you want in your future. Think of all that possibilities and what efforts you can do. And this card does not mean a straightforward yes or no answer, guys. But this is the reminder for some efforts or some adjustments on your part required before you see a good change. And today you are on the right track, so you can be assured of that. But if you want to see success very soon in your work or maybe in your relationship, happiness, all that you are dreaming of, if you want to reach that, you must keep this momentum going, guys. At the same way, you must try to see where you are, what you are doing, and whether you are doing things in the right way. So, one false move or one wrong move is going to land you in some difficult circumstance. So, you must be really careful, and you are in a very ripe situation. So, there is going to be a huge change coming very soon, Leos, in your circumstances today. So, for your fortune cookie, we picked one card and sexuality, existing relationship could find a new passion and heightened sexual attraction. Opportunities of marriage for marriage and good family life are strong, but if single, beware of temptation that could lead to trouble. A child will also bring great joy. So that may be the reason we had the previous card. So some kind of a new beginning in your personal life may come today, may happen today, guys, Leos. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.